stupid.
My name is Mom.
Mom! Okay, so the game we're playing is Twisters. Show Mom. My mom is gonna be in control of all the demands. Pretty much she's gonna be telling us what to do. And whoever drops first obviously loses, right? And there'll be a consequence.
You know why I chose middle though?
Green right foot.
That's easy.
Okay.
Right hand. Yellow right hand.
Yellow. That's blue!
It's okay. Right hand.
I told you she was kicking herself. Blue right hand, she said?
No, yellow right hand. Yellow right hand. Yellow right hand.
Oh.
Yellow right hand!
Blue left foot.
Blue.
Yellow right foot.
Yellow. I'm slow. I'm thinking about it. Like, how can I do this?
Red
right foot. Oh, we got tangled up. Red right foot. That's good. Blue right hand. Easy peasy. You mean peasy, not easy.
Yellow left hand.
This is such an uncomfortable position.
Blue right foot.
Blue right foot. How does that work? Oh, so you can put both?
Yeah.
Red left hand.
So much relaxed.
I know, this is easy.
Green right hand.
Okay, no, this is hard.
Blue right foot.
Oh god.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Like a little spider! He was crawling!
Okay.
Green left hand.
What? Oh. I don't think I have the facility for that big man.
Moni's suffering.
Oh, you actually. Wait. His foot is not on the blue.
Yellow left hand.
What?
Yellow left hand. Oh, we're not a bromance?
Yellow right foot.
Yes, thank you.
Stop it. Get some help.
Red left hand.
Oh.
Blue right foot.
Oh, not again.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Why are your toes bigger than my head?
Song time. Song time.
What are you? Stop making me laugh.
Song time. Hey, come on.
I like to move it.
I like to move it. I like to move it.
Move it!
Okay.
What are you doing to me?
Dance time. Red left foot.
Oh.
Green right.
She's picking
foot.
now, dude.
No, green left.
Green right foot.
I can't do a push up like this.
Ready? To run.
Ready, set, go.
Green left leg.
Ah, yeah.
Hey, no knee.
Ice cheese.
No.
I'm a dog.
Okay.
Green right hand.
Oh, wait.
Green left hand.
Green. His face.
Oh wait, I can go back.
Oh my God! Wow!
Row your boats gently down the street.
Stop it. Get some help.
Right left hand now.
What? Oh, right. Ladies and gentlemen. Wait, my piece. What'd you say? Right,
Mommy, where are you?
Hello.
He's about to fall, dude.
Welcome, everybody. Ah! Cheating! He fell! He fell! Hey! I'm still! I won!
No!
You pushed me!
Oh, you have to pick the consequence for us too.
The trickle shot. I volunteer.
So Sadia has to pick the consequences for me and Moni, even though he cheated. Mom, did he cheat?
No.
Oh, hey, I want an egg in your pants.
How do you feel?
Get the frick away from me. Y'all are
One
whack.
from the back,
Mom, get
one
the
from the
eggs!
front.
Y'all are
Get the
whack.
eggs! That's his consequence. Moni, hurry up, we're outside.
Come on, be a good sport. You lost.
Come on, yeah. I have the 2 eggs right here. You lost! Drag him!
Let's drag him.
Drag him! What's happening?
Stop, dude, you lost.
Okay. Open the pants.
No, what the fuck's wrong with you? This is not family friendly. This is PG-18. Hurry up.
You're so stupid!
It just fell through.
Well, obviously! I'm just hiding in here under the covers.
2 seconds later.
Okay, I demand to know what my dare is. Do you guys want to know my consequences? Look at what he has.
I like to move it. I like him.
He has a speaker and he's gonna blast music outside of Albertson. And guess what I'm gonna be doing?
Dancing.
Dancing like a crazy person. I shouldn't be happy. I should be scared. I need to know what song you guys are putting.
Don't worry about it.
If I told you, I'd have to kill you.
What song are you putting?
It's bad, that's what you...
That's the song he's putting. I'm crying right now.
Let's wait for the car to go.
God, there's so many people here.
Oh, look at that guy, he's already...
Do I come back?
No. I don't know when you come back.
When do I come back?
No, that's the
Just
problem.
go.
Hey,
Just
hey,
go.
Siri. Good luck, soldier.
Okay. Stop, you're making...
Should I wait till she comes out?
No! Go! She's literally filling up the groceries. Go! Alright, there it is. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna like it this time.
Oh my gosh.
Lock it. I like it.
She actually did it.
I'm proud! Give me a high five!
I'm having a mini heart attack.
Your dance moves suck butt though.
They weren't that bad, were they?
Yeah, they were.
I would've hit that move.
The guy was literally looking at you crazy.
I did. And then I did this. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. I love you guys. Bye. And subscribe.
Piss off.